morning and Assalamu alaikum. Early start for the day. It's about 8 o'clock. 11 o'clock we have an event at Lee Meridian, which is a press conference. I'll tell you about it a little later. But right now it's me, my boy, and my girl. Sara, say hi. Yay! So we are going out for breakfast, and for the guys who know about my other boy, which is Isa, he's fallen asleep at home. So let him sleep at home, and we need some peace time, Bam! I'm at Lee Meridian. This is the day where we are doing the press conference for a mega event happening on the 27th of May. Today we have a few celebrities coming in, and we're going to talk about honoring the cancer survivors. We have Dr. Sunita Agarwal and loads of people. I will be talking to them in a while, and thank you for tuning in. So I met this gentleman yesterday and I realized that wow, he is so cool, and he is the VP of Lee Meridian, Mr. Badlani. So, like I told on the mic that by your age, if I'm even half as cool as you, I think I'm sorted. So please tell us some tips, on how to remain cool all our life.
Oh, I am all along in the hospitality industry, and this industry has taught me to be very cool and patient with the customers. My major operational work is to deal with the customers, and I can't be coming aggressively with them. So always I maintain my cool and patience to deal with the people in the business in which I am, and I enjoy that, and I'm very, very happy to be in this industry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm feeling pukish now. I've got one more set of 8 push-ups. I've done 2 sets. I've got one more. I hope I'm able to pull this off. Whew. And I just hope I don't puke, man. So 15 minutes on the CrossFit, no big deal. I'm sure I'll kill it. Andhera kyun hai, bhai? So yeah, I kind of survived. I was asked to do 15 minutes, but I did 16 minutes. The importance of going an extra mile. Now let's head to the coach and find out what's next. I survived, huh? So I did the squats, I did the CrossFit, and I even did this machine here. I don't know the name of it, but now Saad, my coach, tells me to do push-ups. Now there's one thing that I always dread doing, and my body posture sucks, is on push-ups. Let's see how I do it. I finished my last set of the push-ups. Now I have to go planking, which will be my last exercise for the day. I was asking Saad, my coach, that how many minutes you want me to do. You know what he said? Until failure. So yeah, I'm going to finish that and then head out. So first day of the gym, and I survived, and I'm glad I did. I did whatever the coach Saad asked me to do, thanks to him. And now the next thing is that I'm going to go home, take bath and crash. Khatam. Kahani khatam. There's something that I want to share with you guys. I've been smoking for about a good 15 years. I think for about 10 years, 20-25 cigarettes every single day. Initially it started to look cool and all of that, then it became a habit, then I became a slave. I think it's been about 6 months. Thanks to Andre, thanks to Nabil, thanks to Salman and a few other friends that, I've got the devices, the juices. I'm away from smoking, and I'm so thankful because I know it for a fact that today was the first day at gym. I came out after a while. You need that nicotine in your body. You need the smoke, and I'm glad that I have the vapes with me. It makes me feel so much better without draining my energy.